Good morning, class 5th. Today we are going to play a quiz on chapter 6. I hope that you all have completed chapter 6 in your book as well as in your copy. This chapter of yours is over now. If you have read this chapter well, then you will give correct answer of all the questions of this quiz, and if you read this chapter not perfectly, then you will not able to give right answer of the questions of this quiz. So play carefully, watch each question very carefully. If more than 4 of your answer are wrong, that it's mean you have to read this chapter again. This quiz has multiple choice questions in which there are 4 options in each. In which you have to choose one option as your right answer. So here you all can see question 1. We cannot do all kinds of dash ourselves. We cannot do all kinds of fun, or we cannot do all kinds of work, or we cannot do all kinds of exercise, or we cannot do all kinds of yoga. Did you select your option? So the right answer of question 1 is work. We cannot do all kinds of work ourselves. Now question 2. Any job done to earn money is called A. Work, B. Fun, C. Occupation, and D. Social work. What should be here? Have you chosen your answer? Should I tell you the right answer? So the right answer for question 2 is occupation. Now we are moving to question 3. No work should be considered high or big or low or important. Did you get your answer? Should I tell you the right answer? So the right answer for question 3 is low. Option C. No work should be considered low. Is it your answer? Now we are moving to question 4. A sweeper collects dash and sweeps the roads. A sweeper collects rupees, newspapers, milk, or garbage. Did you get the answer? Should I tell you the right answer? So the right answer for question 4 is garbage, which is option D. A sweeper collects garbage and sweeps the road. Now question 5th. Dash delivers milk. I think this is very easy question for you all. So your options for question 5 are A. Milkman, B. Maid servant, C. Sweeper, or D. Washerman. Did you choose the correct answer? Should I tell you the right answer? So the right answer for question 5 is milkman. Milkman delivers milk. Now question 6. We should always speak dash to people who help us. So we should always speak rudely, or we should always speak sweetly, or we should always speak politely, or we should not talk to them. What should be the correct answer? So the correct answer for question 6 is option C, that is politely. We should always speak politely to people who help us. Now question 7. In every job or work is the worship of plants, animals, God, labor. Is it easy question? Did you get your answer? So now I am telling you the right answer for question 7, which is option C, God. Every job or work is the worship of God. Now moving to the question 8. The feeling of dignity of labor dash people to enjoy their work. So the feeling of dignity of labor encourages, hurts, discourages or demotivates. Have you chosen your answer? Should I tell you the right answer? So the right answer for question 8 is the feeling of dignity of labor encourages people to enjoy their work. So student, it ends here. How many answers did you corrected? Tell me honestly in comments or in your group.